Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the next one up. This '02 Chevy Silverado. This one's in for another notch. This one's in for a extensive notch. So we'll get this one tore down and knocked out. All right, as you saw, everything's stripped down. Cardboard's covered, bed's off. All the wiring is prepped and out of the way. The fuel line, the brake lines, it's all out of the way. Tailgate, it's all off of there. So next, we will put the fire blanket on, pull the bolt-on notches, and put that notch on for mock-up. I'll scribe where I need to clean the frame, and we'll get this one knocked out. This notch is on, just set in place, all prepped, ready to be welded on the outsides. Time to get this one welded up. Then we'll cut the middle out and plate it. Notches are welded except for the filler plates. Got them all welded in. Got a nice storm coming in, bringing in some cool air. I'm ready for it. It's warm in here. Let's see what the gauge says. I'm curious. Not too bad. Still hot. Alright, back to this. Just got to put on, like I said, the filler plates. Paint everywhere that I took the paint off with. Well, everywhere as well. It needs to be welded, like I said. Still need to plate the insides like I do on all of them. We'll take a short little break and then get back to it. I got the plates ready. The kit didn't come with any, so I had to went ahead and go ahead and cut my own. Center plates are ready. Got those plates. All the plates are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and tack them in, then weld them in. Once I get that done, I'll paint it, put the wiring and brake line all back together. Then we'll stand the bed up and get it cut. All welded up, inside, out, top, bottom. Paint it. And it's time to cut the bed and get it on. Get this thing out of here for the customer. All done, back together. Thanks for watching, guys.